Wow, she switches. Look at that. Oh, no hands. Wow. You're pretty incredible there, kiddo.
Why are you videotaping me?
Hey, what do you say?
Sorry.
About what?
To say that.
To say what?
To say what I said.
What did you say?
I said, stop videotaping me.
Oh, so you're sorry you said that?
Yeah.
Hey, where are your sisters?
They're always at Cubby's house playing go and swimming, and Paula's at Elizabeth's house to swim and play over.
What are we going to do?
Go swimming and we're going to go to the pool with me and throw this on my clothes.
Today or tomorrow?
Today.
Well, if we're going to do that, should we be getting ready?
Yes.
Uh-oh, almost crashed?
No.
Oh, look at that, standing up. Wow, can you do one hand standing up?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, technical difficulties.
Yeah, wait.
Whoa. Are you going to go to the circus next?
No.
Okay, bye.